Good afternoon, respected principal sir and my dear teachers. This is Bhavesh Kumar, STNC of the school. I would like to invite Mr. Naveen Kumar, who is TGT in our school. This training session is on importance of gratitude. So please welcome Mr. Naveen Kumar for the in-house training. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity to address all of you. Actually, today is a great auspicious day. On this day, I would like to congratulate all of you on this Republic Day. Today, we are celebrating 72nd Republic Day. On this day, our India became a republic state, and after a long struggle, our country got the freedom from British rule. So, today it is essential to remember all the great leaders who gave the opportunity all of us to breathe in an open air. So, it is essential to remember the architect of the Constitution, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, should be remembered definitely. And I salute him on this occasion. Thank you. Now, the topic is importance of gratitude. What is importance of gratitude in our lives? Actually, this is a psychological term. The definition of the gratitude is a positive emotional reaction that serves a biological purpose. It is the appreciation of the valuable and meaningful things in our lives. While we will get into the specific benefits of being grateful further down, it is worth mentioning the overall importance of gratitude. Although it can appear to some a little bit of a bully term, there is actually a body of scientific evidence that demonstrates its effectiveness. Countless studies have shown that gratitude can bring a variety of physical, psychological, emotional, and social benefits. It helps us appreciate all the positive elements of our lives and the people around us. While it might not be a panacea for everything, gratitude can help to keep us grounded and feeling positive, particularly in times of uncertainty. When we feel uncertain, then we think what should be done, and we don't seek any help from others. Then it is the gratitude that comes in our mind. Many of us are familiar with feelings of dissatisfaction in our lives. We feel that our lives are lacking or something. It means our lives are incomplete. At such times, it is easy to compare ourselves to the idyllic seeming life of others and judge ourselves to be lacking. The simple practice of gratitude can help to alleviate these feelings. Before we get into some of the research and facts behind gratitude, it's important to take facts behind gratitude. A moment to discuss whether practicing gratitude is right for everyone. The answer is no. It is not right for everyone. Why? The question arises. Why? One side we advocate for the gratitude and the other side is no. Then there is something between these two, that is it is important to take a moment to discuss whether practicing gratitude is right for everyone or not. It is not the answer for everyone. A study suggests that we each have a level of trait gratitude, which determines how grateful we can feel. Factors such as genetics, culture, and personality impact this level. It is not known exactly whether a person can train themselves to experience more gratitude. Don't be discouraged if we don't feel the effects of, and be sure to discuss any mental health problem to the professional or doctors. Sometimes we see that when we are in distress, we are suffering from mental tension, then we share our griefs, pain and sorrow to our familiar person. We seek our remedy from the other people. But psychologically, it is not true. If we have some problems, either it is mental or physical or psychological, we must contact to professional or contact to our doctors. Now, what is the benefits of gratitude? There are many benefits of gratitude, but here I would like to mention some of these. It can make us happier. A 2003 study found that those who practice gratitude reported considerably more satisfaction with their lives as a whole. They felt more optimism about the future as well as more connection with others. The study concluded that participating in gratitude resulted in consistent improvements in an individual's perception of their well-being. Evidently, gratitude and happiness are closely linked. Those searching for a path to happiness might want to consider how being grateful can help. It can improve our mental well-being. Studies have shown that being grateful can make us more optimistic, improve our mind, and even lower rates of stress and depression. It can improve our physical health. There is evidence to suggest that it can also bring about positive impacts on our physical health. One study from 2014 showed a positive correlation between gratitude and self-reported physical health. There were further links between gratitude and healthy activities. It can enhance positive emotions as well as being a positive emotion in itself. Gratitude also tends to bring out the best in other sensations. Research from 2017, positive emotions allow people to build psychological, intellectual, and social resources. It can help us making friends. Research has shown that even something as small as thanking a new acquaintance for their help can make a social relationship more likely. It can improve our sleep. We have already seen that thankfulness is a positive trait that can help to improve our sleep quality. Sometimes when we feel stress in our mind, then we feel we are not sleeping well at night. It means there is something negative attitude in our mind. So, it can boost our career. Gratitude can make us more helpful, more compassionate, and more forgiving. It can help us deal with hardship. Some examples of gratitude.